So we'll give you a little view of our grapes. They had a little bit of a hard time over this winter because in winter, January got kind of warmish, not stupid warm, but warmish, so the plants were coming out. And then middle of January, end of January, we got hit with a really cold weather, like minus 18, minus 20 degrees Celsius. And then those plants that were starting to kind of think about coming out, they got hit hard, and we think that's what happened to the grapes. So we have here, this is one of our yellow or green grapes. It survived the best. Has a little bit of death. They call it death, but a little bit of branches at the top that are not coming. That's the highest it got there. This one barely survived. Just coming out of the bottom now, so these branches don't have any growth on them, but it is survived and it's coming out the bottom nicely. Same with this one. This one is probably the worst of all. Just barely coming out of the bottom. Didn't do well. And this one, well, this is the new one here, but this one here didn't make it at all. So we're going to be replacing it today with this guy here, which is a Himrod. Seedless grape. It's a zone 5. Tried to get zone 4, couldn't find anything up in the mountains here. We should be okay with a zone 5. So that's our plan today. We're gonna transplant this guy here. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a bucket of water, and I'm gonna let this sit in the bucket of water for a little while so the roots are completely saturated and nice and moist. This should be good. Okay, we'll fill up the bucket. And we will let this guy soak in there. Just take it out of the plastic piece. So let's see here, we'll gently do this. Let's take it out of here. There's the water full. See if I pull it out there. It's tougher than normal, eh? Huh. Interesting. Squish the sides here. Ah, it's got a little staple in the side there. That's what's holding her back. Let's rip that out. There we go. Okay. Now we should be able to, there we go. That's all it was. Let's soak that in there. Get a full soakage. I'm going to next take out the other grape. Should have brought a shovel maybe. I wasn't thinking. Now, since this is dead, I don't have to worry about damaging anything. Let's take out this. I think I'll leave the stick in there, like in the new plant. Might as well use all these ties to my advantage. Take out this stick, don't need that. This is no longer needed because it no longer survived. And then this has a little bit of and I can pull this out. shallow. Too bad it died. Let's get some of these roots out of here. Okay. I think I'm going to take this off this stick. Now, put this around here. I think I'll put this back in beside it a little further away. Then I can tie this onto here a little bit. Okay. Pour that on. Just give it a little bit more. Just gotta do a little top seal. bark mulch. Make it look nice. Another one here. But there we have it. She's all planted. Right there's the head of the sprinkler mister. And then there's our plant there. Himrod. Grape Himrod. So hopefully that can continue growing. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time.